New Mexico Broker Basics, page 2. The New Mexico Real Estate Commission. All New Mexico real estate brokers receive their licenses from the NMREC. The commission shall be appointed by the governor and shall consist of 5 members. Who have been residents of the state for 3 consecutive years immediately prior to their appointment. 4 members must be licensed real estate brokers, and 1 member must be a non-licensed member of the public who has never been licensed, and not more than 1 member shall be from any one country within the state. Members serve a 5-year term. The governor also fills vacant positions on the commission. The New Mexico Real Estate License Law and Real Estate Commission rules grant the NMREC the power and authority to create and enforce rules to carry out the provisions of the Act. A violation by a licensee of any of the Commission's laws or regulations could be considered grounds for refusal, suspension, or revocation of that license. The Commission has 3 functions: licensing, education, enforcement. Definitions. It is unlawful to act as a real estate broker within the state of New Mexico without a license. Except as otherwise provided in section 61-29-2 NMSA 1978. The basic definitions of real estate brokers are as follows. A qualifying broker is a broker who has qualified a proprietorship, corporation, partnership, or association to do business as a real estate brokerage in the state of New Mexico, and who discharges the responsibilities of a qualifying broker as set forth in 16.61.16.9 NMAC. An associate broker is a person holding a New Mexico associate broker's license who is affiliated with a New Mexico qualifying broker. The following acts, when done for others, are included in the definition of a real estate broker: buying, selling, leasing or renting, auctioning, exchanging, listing, negotiating, dealing in options. Exceptions to license requirement. Even though individuals may buy, sell, lease or rent, auction, exchange, or list the real estate of another for valuable consideration, they may be exempted from obtaining a license if they fit one of the categories of specific exclusions established by the legislature. Page 3. Exempt from license requirements are the following. Property owners. With respect to the property so owned, regular employees of the property owner, or of the qualifying broker with respect to property owned or managed by the broker are also exempt. If subdivisions containing more than 99 parcels, then employees of the owner-builder must be licensed. All timeshare salespersons must be licensed unless they have a 15% ownership interest in the timeshare project. A person holding a power of attorney from an owner authorizing the final consummation of a real estate transaction, provided the transactions are also isolated or sporadic and not exceeding 2 transactions per year. Any transactions where an attorney in fact under a duly executed power of attorney delivered by an owner related to the attorney in fact by up to the 4th degree of consanguinity, I don't know how to say that, consanguinity, authorizing person to finally consummate and to perform under any contract for the sale, leasing, or exchange of real estate on behalf of the owner. Attorneys, when acting as attorneys, public officials, court appointees, executors, or trustees while acting as such, brokers of severed mineral interests, business opportunity brokers selling a business only and not becoming involved in the negotiation or transfer of any real property interests. Penalties for violating the license law or real estate commission rules. A violation of the license law by an unlicensed person is a 4th degree felony. The Attorney General or District Attorney may prosecute, and the courts may impose fines on individuals found guilty of a violation. The maximum penalty is 18 months imprisonment, a fine of $5,000 or more, or both. A violation of the license law by a licensee is a misdemeanor and shall be punishable by a fine of not more than $500, imprisonment for not more than 6 months, or both. The license law also allows the Attorney General to seek a civil penalty of up to $5,000 per violation, plus attorney fees and court costs. The Uniform Licensing Act, ULA, allows for the New Mexico, or the NMREC, to oppose administrative fines of up to $1,000 for each violation. The NMREC has jurisdiction over licensees and non-licensees performing regulating acts. License application. A license applicant must be a legal resident of the United States, be 18 years of age, and pass the licensing exam. License recognition. New Mexico has license recognition agreements with various states. Full information can be found at the NMREC website. In most cases, a New Mexico broker may obtain a license in one of these states by simply applying. Similarly, a licensee is in another state could also simply apply for the New Mexico broker license.